What's up, gang? It's your boy Tan of Every So guys, lana audio ilahlekile, so I don't know angithola ukuthi kwenze njani, but la besikhuluma ukuthi sizoshuta iQueen and sayishuta wena bukela le video until the end and see ukuthi kwenzakaleni and into enjalo. Yeah. And please guys subscribe for more bangers. Dank banger.
Okay. What is something you wish people didn't know about you?
God. God. Guys. Awakala shem. Maybe when you go and tell her, maybe you won't do that.
Okay. Something that I wish people didn't know about me.
Yeah.
Instead of me process of it, okay. Sure. I wish people didn't know about you. But it's not something that I can say on the info space. Okay, I'm never gonna feel on bangers. Never gonna feel special and give back to say like in my TikTok handles, my Instagram accounts, cause paparazzi.
What's about often bapis who feel like in with bang was?
Yeah.
Maru repost
Repost my bang office routine. I'm not well known. But I'm actually going to have to do something like bangers.
So Mina. Ayik. Give my you.
Okay, bye.
Ngobunye cabanga. Angibheka
what is something that you regret?
Singabe into like ngiyenzile or
Oyenzile or phakakiyo anything. Osolanga.
Yo. Awamne wonke into engiyenza friend.
You have no regrets.
Yeah, nami ngiyenza. I regret ukuthi wayengizale ngaphi but I can't change that.
Okay. Who was your last crush?
When?
Kusena. Awuyazi mara mina nintrapadan. Mina vele ngimosha like
Yamush.
Mara actually say crush.
Bunny?
Say crush.
Oh.
Crush it's hard.
It's hard though. Shout out to you.
Shout out to you. Okay, fine. Today I go back.
Yum. So far, ish jam. Comedy ngkhaz. Before abanye abantu bajike ngisho bona. Crush yami. Noma ngiyala bathu. But ngisho abantu maye senginabo buhlala like
Baningi.
Yeah, baningi. Angisho.
Wow.
Inkemayi. Bazibukela ngisho bazibukela. Bese bazo
ask you.
yeah.
Hi. Have you ever broken someone's heart?
Mara baphula yan.
Okay, sorry.
Ano ba?
Yeah, mina ngiyayikula inhliziyo ngiyazigrade. Ngiyazigrade mina inhliziyo ngiyadalagaza ngizibhekile.
Ngathi ngizithathale ushintshe qali.
No, like ngizibhekile mara wangithola nami nje. Ngakubona ukuthi yena lapho nje. Ngiba uJonas.
Yini into ayenza like revenge like it lights. Now uyasho bona la.
Wamjalela akheza into wakhe. Bekabheda. Makabheda ngambona ukuthi yakhe uyaleka. And then I get it. Then I found out saying it's talk. True. I'm going to happen.
My bunny best friend.
Yeah. Mara I found out that I'm coming after that. So pretty bad. I'm laughing at this guy. Crying big guy.
Phula kahle diphula abantu abayithi.
Sile khoke potisa naye so yeah.
Yo.
Yes, it's more for sure. Next question, bunch.
Aminga boJonas.
No, I'm such a Nasi. Okay, Maraya. What is the worst thing that you have done?
Mara le noma ngayisho South Africa mosiya bayenza ngahambi ngi ngabuya ngabuwa
Manje, that's the worst thing.
ngahambi ngabuya Chama ngisahamba ngestori. Samba ngestori.
Composure.
Ngahamba.
Yeah. Wahambi yini ngabuya ngabowani.
Ngabuya ngabowani. Yeah, that's all.
Nginjile ngingathi takatuyisha. Kani ke.
Ngizala yiki mina ngayenza lokho. Pila me bora shell.
Okay, I'm not.
Da bora shell.
Okay, I'm not. Honestly, I'm not. Okay, what is the most embarrassing thing that has ever happened to you? Oh, okay.
Nini.
The most embarrassing thing. This one. I'm listening. Okay. Cool. Oh, ngawa it's good. Assembly.
Yeah.
Assembly. Assembly basizile. Kumele ngizolo kanjena ngizorenda something family.
Yo, how like it? But bele babhekile.
Yeah, and then now.
Wozenza njalo.
Ngasukuma. Ngenza ngathi akubuhlungu. Ngaqhubeka ngakhuluma into ngiyenza khona family. Because why not? How does that happen? But obvious, ngiyatry I think and ngaya ngismile mara mangifika lapha. Cause like vele kwaba into ukuthi same time ngicela ukubela umuntu ukuthi wahleka.
What's your speech?
Yeah, I'm going to something. Everyone's speech.
Mara bo honor. Oh.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Cool.
Wow. Como sa con RSL.
Yo. But it's fine. When I awusho. Wow. Ngikhuluma manga wena ngiyazi. Ngikhuluma manga.
Ukhuluma ngani?
Okay guys,
Sacabanga.
Yeah.
Embarrassing. Hawa. Kasi siya. Nag-chat life kami por like kasi nga embarrassing. Pambaban.
Alright.
Ngaba umuntu othulile.
Okay.
Angisazi.
Asazi sinabhaka guys. Nama ngisisho ukuthi into ekhuluma
Like umuntu othulile siya.
When was the last time you lied?
Sometime, man.
Oh, you lied I knew it.
That's time.
Can you answer the question?
Hmm?
Like, I can't answer the question maybe.
Yeah.
Can you mean I'm a man? That's a man. Yeah.
Sacabanga. Yabona bese ngigazini. Wasathi noma besekhuluma
Silindile ama-question ukuthi usho la. Silindele question ipheni.
Ngicela ngicamba manga.
Hamba manga manje.
Hawa. Ngicela ngicamba manga ba. Ekule video ngizochaza ngichazile shem mara like mina angisakhulumi nabantu kakhulu. So ngicambela ubani ma.
WhatsApp ma.
Hawa.
Cap. So, mau edit. Ay, naman.
Ngoba ngicabanga hawa phela abantu phela ngikhuluma nabo mina. Uzophathi like umsungisi. Angagcina kuba ne-conversation nomuntu. Ngiyazi buka abantu ngabe ne-conversation nomuntu like 1 hour. Lapho manga mina nala isiphawu ukusiphawu. And akala ngagcina lo. Siyangona.
Nyakodwa.
Khona ke. Wena.
Na. Oh. That's me.
Oh.
That's me. Ngakhuluma manga mina. Mara yo even said. Izotrenda. Okay, it's fine. Ngakhuluma manga okay sharp. Oh yes, ich bin doch bereit. Sharp, wie ist die
Ama. Itu wen.
Abantu bazayajola vele okay sharp ngithi mina ke ngiyajola sharp mangijola vele shuthi sambele kundaba zokuthi sambele sikhuluma mina sibaba ngathi ma sharp kanti kuke bese ngidadi baby na ithi baby dami ngasho sharp unique enye ne ngithi mina okay sharp ngicela ukuhamba naye to the next because ngiyafuna ukuba naye sharp naye athi no problem umkano sisibaphatshela ukuthi sihamba siyi-2 umuntu uzokuya ngisho just samsame athi manje mina mangifika endlini ngithi ngumama yabo mami athi hayi mama msama athi anaginga ngizokhambela la apha ngithwabela umntanakho ngekho nje igama lomntanakho ngimala ya sharp indaba zokuthi naye ngikami leso kodwa kulungisa izinto like asekho that close friendship yanaye asekho close but mama unamanamba ngadiyo that was like first mistake esiyenzile kungamelanga ngihamba nlegap sharp ukuthi mina-ke ngihambe nalo mfana loyo ekugidi yakhe sihambe sekibo ngabuye ekhaya sharp mama mafonele inganamba ya-texte athi cala mthatha athi mntwana ngicela abuye ngabo 8 adruma njani manje because umuntu lona angamboni namuhla nanaba sharp mfonele
Sibanga nomthipa nomnganakho.
Samuel bakumela bekadakile nasho sakanje shabu angamthiphi nani mama phone phesa kwatike sekubo 1 so nama ngibuya ekhaya ngazi becabangana bo-1 sharp hayi 1 wangamasi 1 emini silandelayo izwana ashapu ukukhuluma ayangimazi mina ini wafana umngane omunye la vele sesifike nasibandani all afanele naye athi akangazi phela saka siyena uyovula ikhesi police station simbangahlekile kanti the time athi uyaphuma e-police station mina ngingena endlini bangibuza ukubuya friend ke kwakileke ngathi yabo uthi yongishaya mama ngishaya phone sharp hayi mina ngibuya kusibani bani izindawo zami ngithi benginaye kunjalo vele imama shothi naye phela khona inyembezi zami eziphuma masinyane ngabe amasinyane alisa ngishaya shama mama athi ngiyawuthuza abangani bakho white ngoba yena yaphika sona bongekho naye ngazi kahle ukuthi navele bengingekho so today mama ngalazi the time ngeke ekhaya bengisemfaneni ngiyazijaja
Mazi mama ngisendele ivideo.
no yabani ngacani ngidani ngingara next
Next question.
phendulilani
Ngiphendulile.
Last topic la question.
Ngiphendulile waza wathi wena. Oh, ngiphendulile.
So that you never told anyone that it's Is it Easy Keisha? What's calling my phone?
Akube 50.
What's calling my phone?
Qala wena.
Awa.
Akube 50 nini soloko?
Qalile
Qala
kakhuluma.
ule qala kuma buma question.
Ngicela kule benzima isifundo sethu sebanish. Ngoqala ke ukuzizwa. Ukuthi into ukuthi abantu bangayazi ngabo. Whatever. That's fine. First the question. Never told me God. That's fine. Ukuthi I lost my V-card last year on my birthday.
You.
Okay, like nobody knows. Honestly, my best friend my ass. Mara if bayangibona bayabona. But it's fine. Pendula. Ayisekho ngami.
Baphela. Yamole qedwe yishivana living ngicabanga.
Ifana nayo.
Bengizosho impilo enkulu.
Okay. Ikanda baba funa ukuyazi.
Hayi. Kanzi ziyaba ngaloko ngizala. Let me cook.
Ngena phege.
Asangipheke.
Ashisa makoto.
Ngashisne. Marbon njalo. And into ezangathi lo muntu uthi
Okay. Okay, it's fine. Kuluma. It's fine.
Mental marang na. Shit.
I don't know, guys. I'm a Christian,
Bonus
but not around.
Kaba. Din into Sabah. Like you would like lay ang kun yang Sabah.
Ugnita, Ugnita, Nasa Ugnita, Mungenda, those things. Na I mean, ang tingita. Ang naele experience na nang sa siya. Okay, I go tang tingita mara. Mhlambe hayi manje ngisimthanda.
Hashtag opposite.
Angipromote yeah, I ngiyenza guys ihamba no-presenter sinema-prep nani angifuni ukuyenza awusitshele-ke phep kanje kubuza mina okay, it's fine. Okay. Uzonimtrafatsana. Ngiyakuza.
Ujame ngaphatwa cha.
Ngiyakuza
Ngaphatwa. Phatha kangani?
Yeah, cha. More like I'm joking. Okay, it's fine.
Ingaphatha ama-password mntwana. If you phatha ama-password ungakhohlile nje.
Okay, siyeke yabona ukuthi bakhohlile kazi siyeke. Anyway. Who would you like to collab with in the next wara? Yeah.
Already sing namakholab. Already like sok nama-videos
Okay, like
Sunday niyashuta.
Okay, ngeke ngithi umuntu owaziwayo.
Umuntu owaziwayo.
Ongazibona ke like enza picture bathi ukhula kana.
Sengizibonile already.
Hayo. Yabona.
Ngadala. Okay, umuntu engafuna ukholab na.
Yeah. Owaziwayo.
Owaziwayo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because okay, ang bala abantu abayi-5. Supposed sonabile.
Yeah.
Noma bangazwana nokuthi mara ayami. Basani. Usash. Yeah. Nyanda. Okay, Usasha. Kusti. Peanuts mfana Maria.
Peanuts.
Sale simbali. Abatamini abanye.
Wow.